starting with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and most merciful. So in today's lecture, we are going to learn the major differences among the Weir, Barrage and dam. So these are the water infrastructures which are constructed to restrict or act as a barrier to the water, so to make the reservoir at the upstream side. So let's start with the weir. The weir is an impervious barrier constructed across the river to raise water level on the upstream side such that the water level raises up to the required height. In weir, what we do is we construct a barrier across the river or the water body so to raise the water according to the or desired height. And then when the water is exceeded from the level, then that water tries to flow over the weir. Means in the weir it is allowed that water can pass over the weir, and that water is the surplus water. Such structure is called as weir. As you can see in this figure that over the river bed a barrier is constructed at the certain height, and the water is stored at the upstream side, and when the water level increased, that surplus water is allowed to flow over the weir, and that passes over the weir and goes to the downstream side. Now coming to the barrage. The barrage is an upgradation of weir in which adjustable gates are installed over the weir to maintain the water surface at different levels at different times. So firstly, as you can see in this picture, the weir is constructed, means a barrier is constructed over which the gates are installed so that whenever we wanted to balance out the water levels, we can open these gates so that water can pass from the upstream side to the downstream side, or maybe in the times of need. So this is how the difference between the weir and barrage is. Barrage is consists of adjustable gates. So the water level is adjusted by the operating adjustable gates, and these gates are operated by the cables as you can see in this picture. Now coming towards the dam. A dam is a high impervious structure constructed across the river to form deep storage reservoir. The dam is designed such that the water level remains under summit, means the surplus water is not allowed to flow over the dam. The water is allowed to flow through the special type of the place that is known as spillways. The water is allowed to flow through spillways provided at some design levels. So as far as the weir is concerned, the water flows over the weir. Wherever the barrage is constructed, water is passed through the various adjustable gates. And when we talk about dams, the spillways are constructed at certain level so that the surplus water can pass through from the upstream side and travels towards the downstream side. So these are the major differences among weir, barrage and dam. Further, you can see in the figure that the dam is constructed over the valley bed, and water is stored at the upstream side. And further, if the water exceeds the desired height or the design height, then the surplus water is passing through the spillways instead of going over the dam. So these are the major differences. So thank you.